Hey guys, just a quick announcement regarding dun sa live stream na supposedly gagawin natin today, February 27th ng 2 p.m. Unfortunately, we have to reschedule it to February 28th, bukas, same time ng 2 p.m. And the reason kung bakit natin i-reschedule tong live stream na to regarding dun sa pag-setup ng voice meter is si YouTube pala ay mayroong 24 hours na restriction. Pag first time mong gagamitin yung account for live streaming, kailangan mo muna ng 24 hours. Actually, alam ko naman to pero I didn't realize na hindi pa nga pala nagagamit tong account na to for live streaming. Yung iba ko kasing YouTube account or iba kong ginagamit account na okay na yun eh. But I want to do it here in this account since ito yung ginagamit nating account for this channel. So, unfortunately, as you can see from here, yun nga, no, kailangan ng merong 24 hours na requirement pa si YouTube bago natin magamit. So, that means I cannot do the live stream today and bukas na natin magagawa ng Sunday, February 28, same time. So, I do apologize for this, pero sana bukas nandun pa rin kayo sa live stream natin. Alright? Maraming salamat sa inyong patience and hope to see you all tomorrow. Peace out.